Mac desktops, to laptops, to iPads, to iPhones, as well as many other accessories and devices from 2002 and the launch of the G4 Shrivelhead iMac. I've been hypnotised by Apple marketing and the lure of their gadgets, and there's not been a day since then that I've regretted moving into the Apple ecosystem. But unlike most of the consumer devices Apple launches, there's one device that didn't lure me in straight away, and that was the AirPods Max when they were announced in late 2020. That was because of the price tag. At £550, that's a lot of money for what I use headphones for, and also I've been using AirPods, and specifically AirPods Pro, for many years, and I think they are great little devices that I use every day for walking and running. But let's get into the unboxing of the AirPods Max, and I will share my initial thoughts, why I did eventually purchase them, and I compare them for my use against AirPods Pro. So here they are, unboxed. I purchased the grey ones and they're in their smart case just now. Smart case actually makes them go into low power mode. Saves battery. Build quality is as you expect from Apple, and the texture of the case is pretty good. This flap actually magnetically closes, snaps into place. So here they are out of the case, and a little bit heavier than I thought they would be. I like the colour of these grey. They're not as shiny as the other colour variants. Just hope that they last in terms of scratches. And the ear cushions do come out and can be replaced. But at £75 a pair, I'll be doing my best to look after them as best as I can. But they are comfy, nice texture. Now, as you can see here, in this position, the metal parts do touch together and clunk together. I've read reports. Good news is, looks like it doesn't really harm them too much, but I'll be keeping an eye on that. So my very initial reaction is good quality build, as you'd expect from Apple. Expensive parts to replace. They look good. They are simple looking, well made. Two buttons, a digital crown and the push button for the noise cancellation. Yeah, let's try these out over the coming weeks and see where we go with them. Now let's initially pair these. I have the new iPad mini here, and we'll just wait to see if it connects. There we go. Now press connect. And then you also get a little demonstration here of noise control and the digital crown buttons. I wasn't sure here whether or not I was to touch these. It was showing me, but it was just to skip them. So I'll skip them in a minute, and that will be the pairing done. And the good news is, all your devices that are signed in to iCloud, they're already connected and synced. So let's take a closer look. This is a lightning connector. Some people wish it was USB-C. Closer look at the ear cushions, the outer shell. And here is a digital crown for volume control. One little good thing about the digital crown, it is vice versa. You have the option to change the scrolling direction for up and down volume, and you have the button for noise control. So let's have a closer look at it here. This is well made. As I said, the fabric feels good. I'm not sure how this will stand the test of time. And you have the metal frame. Well, it's well put together. So why have I purchased after over a year of being released? The price has been reduced, second hand, refurbished. New prices are still down if you avoid the Apple website, where I would normally buy things from, but on this occasion there are different options out there to get these with £150 to £200 off, which is an excellent saving. So that was the main reason for deciding to go for it. So as I mentioned, I am a big AirPods Pro user. I use them for walking, running every day. I also use them for the office use, sitting at the office desk, and that is the other reason why I've decided to purchase the AirPods Max. Comfortable. I just feel that these are going to be more comfortable. I'm going to get more day-to-day use out of them in and around the office. I don't think I'll be using these for running. Certainly will probably use them for walking. Fitness, I just don't think I will. I've never been used to over-the-ear headphones for fitness. I must admit though, AirPods Pro never had an issue out running. Okay, once or twice over 4 or 5 years, the one pod has come out my ear while I'm running, but that is, as you can know, that is very few and far between, and I love the AirPods Pro for running. So this has been a little unboxing video. It's not been a technical video on the AirPods. I'm not an audiophile. I've not had much use of it. This has just been an unboxing video. I hope you've taken some use from this video. If you have, please help me by pressing the subscribe button, liking this video. I'm just at the start of my channel with productivity and Apple device videos. So stay tuned, press subscribe. I'll see you again soon. Thank you.